Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download transaction history. So let's get straight into it. Log into your Bitunix account on a web browser. Now, first method, so we have basically two methods that I can show you. So first method is when you are logged in, just scroll all the way down on the main page right here, and you will see under the support, the second one, tax report. And what you are going to do is just simply download transaction, and yeah, here you have this option. Also, you can one-click tax filling, and right here you see that you have some partners that you can co-work with. Now, the other option is that we go here to the wallet icon right at the top, and you can choose here your desired category, so future, address, spot account, and so on. Now we need to go to the navigate to position history tab. So let's go here to the transaction history, future transactions right here. And if you have some transaction, you will see them right over here. Then you will have just the ability to download this. So simply just hit that button, export data icon. You will see it when you have this some options to do so. So yeah, this is how you can download transaction history. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next